Welcome to our updated guide on how to enable automatic updates for the Gmail app on your Android device. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Begin by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android device. This is where you can manage app updates and settings for all the apps installed on your device. 2. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the Play Store. This will allow you to access your account details and settings. 3. Within the profile settings, locate and tap on Settings. This section contains various options to customize your Play Store experience. 4. Next, navigate to Network Preferences within the Settings menu. This section lets you set preferences related to network usage and updates. 5. Look for the option labeled Auto Update Apps and tap on it. Here, you can choose your preferred setting for automatic app updates. Select the update setting that suits your needs, such as updating apps over Wi-Fi only, or allowing updates over any network. By following these steps, opening the Play Store, accessing your profile, going to Settings, selecting Network Preferences, and enabling auto updates for apps, you can ensure that your Gmail app stays up to date automatically without manual intervention. Keeping your apps updated is essential for security, performance, and accessing the latest features. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in enabling automatic updates for the Gmail app on your Android device. Enjoy the convenience of having your apps automatically updated to the latest versions.